Hi, I'm Patrick DeFeo with DeFeo Luxury Properties. And if you've been searching for space, privacy, and real opportunity in Florida, this one is going to get your attention. Welcome to 7280 County Road 663 in Bushnell, Florida. This unique property sits on 6.5 acres, giving you the kind of space that's getting harder and harder to find. You've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a flexible layout that works for both living and working. Inside, you'll find a spacious layout with a large family room. There's a dining area and a functional kitchen setup. There's 1 bedroom upstairs with a private balcony. And there are 2 bedrooms downstairs for convenience. The home has been updated with modernized bathrooms. The mini split AC systems are only about 2 years old. Step outside, and this is where the property really shines. You've got a detached workshop, a garage for storage or parking, and plenty of room for equipment or toys. It's even perfect for a small business operation. With 6.5 acres, you get privacy, open space, and beautiful natural surroundings, including mature trees and pasture views. And if you're looking for flexibility, this property allows up to 3 hoofed animals per acre, making it ideal for those wanting a rural lifestyle without sacrificing comfort. This is perfect for a business owner, someone needing space for equipment, or anyone looking to get out of the crowded city and into something with real freedom. If you want more details, a private tour, or to see what this property could really do for you, visit tampahomeselling.com. Or call me directly at 941-518-0708. I'm Patrick DeFeo, and I'll see you on the next one.